This video will show you how to replace the uppercase with keyboard in your Chromebook. The process in this video will work for the Lenovo 100E Chromebook 2nd Gen MTK and the Lenovo 300E Chromebook 2nd Gen MTK. You will need a screwdriver kit, a non-metallic pry tool, and 20 minutes of your time. Caution: to avoid damaging your device with electrostatic discharge, work on a hard, flat surface. Use an anti-static wrist strap and mat, or discharge static by touching a grounded piece of metal. First, you must disable your built-in battery before removing any parts. Make sure your power adapter is plugged in and connected to the computer. Press the power key to turn the computer on. Press and hold the refresh and power keys at the same time. Then unplug the power adapter and release the keys. The system will shut down and the built-in battery has been disabled. To confirm that the battery was disabled properly, press the power key. If the process was done correctly, the computer will not turn on. Remove the 9 screws on the bottom of the system. Use the pry tool to carefully pry up the clips around the edges of the upper case. Begin with the corners near the hinges, and then pry up the top edge from the center out toward the hinges. Finally, pry up the clips along the left side and the right side to release the upper case. Caution: the upper case is still connected to the computer by 2 cables underneath the keyboard. Carefully flip the upper case over without pulling on the cables. Disconnect the keyboard and touchpad cables from the system board by flipping open the black tabs and carefully pulling the thin cables from their slots. Remove the upper case from the system. Place the new upper case upside down next to the system board. Connect the keyboard and trackpad cables to the system. Carefully insert each cable into its slot, making sure the cable is properly aligned and fully inserted before closing the black tab. Carefully flip the upper case over without pulling on the cables. Align the upper case with the opening and then press down along the edges to snap the upper case into place. Install the 9 screws on the bottom of the system. Plug in the power adapter and connect it to your computer to re-enable the built-in battery. To learn more about your device, go to pcsupport.lenovo.com.